Once upon a time in a bustling city, there was a little shop called Chhangani Club. It wasn't very big, but it was famous for one special thing, its delicious kachoris. People from all over the city would come to this little shop just to taste these crispy, mouth-watering treats. One day, a young boy named Ravi heard about the famous Chhangani Club Kachori. He was curious to know what made them so special. So, he saved up his pocket money and decided to visit the shop. When Ravi reached the Chhangani Club, he was greeted by the friendly shopkeeper, Mr. Chhangani. The smell of freshly made kachoris filled the air, making Ravi's mouth water. He could hardly wait to taste one. Mr. Chhangani smiled and handed Ravi a hot, crispy kachori. Ravi took a bite, and his eyes lit up with joy. The kachori was filled with spicy lentils and seasoned perfectly. It was the best thing Ravi had ever tasted. As Ravi enjoyed his kachori, Mr. Chhangani told him the secret behind the delicious taste. The key to making the best kachori, he said, is to use the freshest ingredients and to cook with love. Ravi was amazed by the story and the kindness of Mr. Chhangani. From that day on, he became a regular visitor to the Chhangani Club, always enjoying the famous kachoris and learning new things about cooking. And so, the story of the famous Chhangani Club Kachori spread far and wide, making people smile and bringing joy to everyone who tasted them. Moral: the best things in life are made with love and care, just like the delicious kachoris from the Chhangani Club.